Hi, it's great to see you here. Today we're going to travel to Rome in 80 AD, the inauguration of the Colosseum. Shall we go?
$2,000-year-old cobblestones right under my feet.
This is a Thermopolium, ancient Rome's fast food restaurant. Most Romans had no kitchen at home.
Animals, smoke, bread, and something I cannot identify.
What you wear tells Rome exactly who you are.
Ancient Rome's fast food. Most Romans had no kitchen.
Dense, sour, baked on stone. Actually incredible.
This lamp here is the finest clay in all of Rome.
He has no idea I am from the future.
There it is, brand new, still white. Unbelievable.
80 entrances, 50,000 people in 15 minutes.
50,000 people, all screaming. Nothing compares. Your seat announces your place in society. Always. This is their Saturday afternoon. Completely real. First day done. I need water. I need water. Work until midday. Rest. Baths. 1 million people. No clocks. The Thermae. Bathing, politics, business. Rome's social media.
Underfloor heating. Hot room, warm room, cold pool. 80 AD.
Itaverò omnia quae dixi sunt necessaria ad gloriam Romae.
No idea what he's saying. Very passionate.
The Forum. Every law of the empire. Right here. Senators. Deciding things that affect millions. Very angry. Shop below. Family above. Work and home merged completely.
30 seconds out of the oven, and it has his name stamped on it.
2,000 years ago. Kids just want to play.
6 floors. No running water above ground level.
Before eating, working, traveling this Feiern, you make an offering.
No phones. Live performance is the only entertainment. 50 kilometers away. Gravity only. 1 million people supplied. Runs day and night. Free. Over 1,000 of these.
This light on Roman stone. I understand why no one left.
1 million people. Right now. City. The largest city on Earth.
Full armor in this heat. Every single day.
Built in layers. Still in use 2,000 years from now.
Always mixed with water. Everyone drinks it. Every day.
1/3 of Rome was enslaved. All of this was built by them.
Same sunset. Same sky. 2,000 years apart.
Every family cooking right now.
a million fires. Night belongs to the carts now, and the silence. No light pollution. Every star visible, every single one. 15 kilometers on these cobblestones, worth every single step. No electricity, no running water. Never felt more alive. The Colosseum, the Forum, the market. 2,000-year-old bread. They want food, community, meaning. Same as us. Same as always. Those children with the wooden hoops. 2,000 years. Nothing changed. History isn't silent. It's exactly as noisy as what I experience today. History isn't silent. It's exactly as noisy as what I experience today.
Thank you for joining me today. Most incredible day in any century. Tell me in the comments which country, which year, where next. Tell me in the comments which country, which year, where to next.